Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to get a Microsoft Forms ID. Grabbing the Microsoft Forms ID can be a bit puzzling if you're new to it, but don't worry, we're here to make it easier for you. Whether you're planning to integrate your form with another application, or you simply need the ID for better organization and management of your forms, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps. Our goal here at PMN Online is to make technology more accessible, and today we're tackling this handy piece of know-how. So, grab a seat and let's dive right in. To begin with, let's navigate to the Microsoft Forms website. You can do this by heading over to forms.office.com. It's crucial to be logged into your Microsoft account to access all the features, so make sure you use your Microsoft 365 credentials to sign in. In case you haven't created an account yet, you can use any existing Microsoft account or set up a new one easily. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Forms dashboard. This is the central hub where all your forms are displayed, allowing you to view anything you've created or have access to within your organization. Next, you'll want to identify the specific form for which you need the ID. Scroll through your dashboard to find it, and once you do, click on it to open the form. Opening the form takes you to the form editor, where you can review and modify the form as necessary. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're working with the correct form before proceeding. Now, once you're in the Forms editor, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see a button labeled Collect Responses. Clicking on this button will open a dialog box, offering multiple options for sharing the form. Among these options, you will notice a long URL link meant for sharing with respondents or collaborators. This URL is essential because it contains the form's ID. Pay close attention to the structure of the URL. It may look a bit different from typical web links because it includes parameters specifically for identifying individual forms. To find the form ID, focus on the part of the URL that follows the string ID. The form ID is a series of characters and numbers that appear immediately after this section in the URL. It's important to carefully select just these characters to avoid any mistakes. Alternatively, there's another straightforward method to obtain the form ID. While you have the form open, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. It displays the same URL structure, and you can again pinpoint the segment that follows ID. This method is equally valid and efficient, providing you with the necessary ID without any hassle. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you now have your Microsoft Forms ID. This ID can be instrumental for a variety of tasks, such as integrating forms with other services or simply organizing them more efficiently. Be sure to store this information securely, especially if you plan on referencing it frequently. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to get a Microsoft Forms ID quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to get a Microsoft Forms ID, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.